Hello. Are you a beginner at woodworking projects? Maybe an experienced woodworker looking for a new and different project, maybe a seasoned woodworker wanting to make some money from your passion? Well, this offer is for you. Get access to thousands of woodworking plans, complete with cutting and material lists. No need to overbuy on the material. Detailed instructions in every plan. New projects added each month. You also get DVD software to modify plans or even create your own plan. Includes tips and information on how to make money from your efforts. Check out the complete offering of Ted's woodworking resource in the link below.